Hey guys, it's Robert from East Coast Sawing Design. Today we're going to be doing a little outdoor fun from the wood shop. My bus wood shop is not big enough to do anything over 5 feet through the planer and anything over 4 feet through the jointer. So today I've brought the planer outside and doing some skip planing on some 2x4s, and I just finished up a 3.25 by 3.25. So skip planing just means you're running it through the planer without running it through the jointer. I'm not looking for trueness, I'm just looking for flatness. It's for an outdoor project, so no big deal. Today we're running the DW735 with Lux Cut 3 helical carbide cutter head. Because this planer has its own dust collection blower built in, I just have a 9-degree elbow blowing the sawdust off to the side so it doesn't get in the way when I come around it. And it shouldn't take too long for 4 2x4s. So join me. as you can see, guys, it doesn't take long at all to run a couple 2x4s through, even if you got to make multiple passes. As you can see, some pretty stringy chips from a DW735. I find with this wetter spruce, because this stuff is not seasoned at all, it's a little stringier even with the blower. And also, everybody says the helical carbide heads are like phenomenal for any kind of work. Well, you can see that I get a lot of tear out on woods that aren't bone dry with the helical head. Even stuff that is fairly dry, it's still, I get a lot of tear out if it's a softer wood like domestic cherries is one I get a lot of tear out on. So thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you liked the video. Comment and subscribe if you did. Thanks, bye.